Hey guys, today I have this window louvers, I think it's called. So we're gonna install this right now. There's a carbon fiber look only though. It's not real carbon fiber. It's only plastic, but it looks like carbon fiber. So this should go this way. Wait. Wrong way. Should go like that. Looks way better with the louvers, to be honest. Holy shit, I love it. So to install this, you only need to put like double-sided tape on the back. So this is all I put. I only put some tape, not a lot, because I don't want it to be like stick for good on my windshield or on my window. Probably take this off later, but yeah. And because I ran out of tape too. So of course you gotta clean the surface first. I already did that right here. Now let me show you guys. Pretty easy, to be honest, to install. All you do is literally put it right there, and then that's it. Alright, so here goes. I already took up the tape cover, so you just gotta literally lay it down flat. Hold on, let me put you guys out because I can't see. I can't put it right. Alright, I'm gonna install the next one now. The only bad thing is that no one's gonna be able to see my dope ass sticker now. Damn, it's gonna be covered up. That's fine, I guess. Man, I really like that sticker too. Alright, I'll install this. There you go. That's it. Bro, that's literally like the easiest install ever. It took me like 10 minutes, maybe less. And if you do end up getting some of those, bro, you seriously should look at this thing. Holy shit. Looks way better now. Damn. Can't believe such a small thing makes a difference. A big ass difference, bro. Like, holy shit. I still need to get the wax down. Alright then. Stay tuned for more videos coming up as soon as I get some money. Shit expensive out here. Alright then.